Day 2 of the trip. You open the cooler. Soggy ice, warm food, mystery water at the bottom. Every cheap cooler does this. The 7 best camping coolers in 2026, from the cleanest budget pick to a full-week ice machine. Links in the description. Stick around. The number 1 pick is the benchmark every premium cooler is measured against. Starting at number 7, the Coleman Classic Series 52 Quart, the best budget camping cooler that earns its place. Most cheap coolers fall apart by season 2, cracked handles, mush ice by day 2, food floating in tepid water. The Classic gets the basics right. First, 5-day ice retention in the 52 quart size. Real performance from a budget cooler. Food stays cold through a long weekend. Next, a have-a-seat lid rated for 250 pounds. Doubles as a bench at camp. Finally, swing upside handles plus 4 cup holders molded into the lid. Cons: thinner foam than rotomolded models. No wheels. Plastic latches feel basic. Best for weekend campers and budget-minded families. Not for week-long trips in hot weather. At $54.89, the Classic 52 is the cleanest entry-level pick. Tight budget? Start here. At number 6, the Igloo Marine Ultra 54 Quart. The best budget cooler for campers who also hit the lake or coast. Regular coolers crack in sun, hold smells, and leak the moment you tilt them. The Marine Ultra is built for that abuse. First, a ultraviolet protected hard shell. Direct sun all weekend won't fade or crack the body. Next, an antimicrobial liner that fights the funk that builds up in damp coolers. Open it next trip and it doesn't smell like the last one. Finally, a threaded drain plug. Tip the cooler, drain meltwater cleanly. No flood inside the truck. Cons: heavier than basic coolers. Basic latches, no wheels. Best for campers near water, beach families. Not for backcountry purists who hate weight. At $54.98, the Marine Ultra handles humidity, sun, and a bag of bait. Camp by water? This is your cooler. Number 5. The Coleman Xtreme 50 Quart Rolling, the best budget wheeled cooler for car camping. A loaded cooler weighs more than a small dog. Carrying it from car to campsite ruins the first hour of every trip. The Xtreme Rolling fixes that. First, a telescoping handle and durable wheels built into the body. Pull a fully loaded cooler over grass, gravel, uneven ground without lifting. Next, Xtreme 5-day ice retention with extra walled insulation. The performance backbone of Coleman's premium budget line. Finally, the lid is rated for 250 pounds. Doubles as a stool at camp. Sturdier than most folding chairs. Cons: 50 quart capacity is moderate, not for groups over 6. Plastic wheels struggle on big roots and rocks. Best for car campers, festival goers, tailgaters. Not for backcountry hikers or rough off-grid sites. At $64.99, the Xtreme Rolling is the cheapest way to stop hating cooler day. Tired of lifting? This is the fix. Number 4. The YETI Roadie 15, the best compact premium cooler for tight spaces. The truck cab is full. Backseat has gear, dogs, kids. There's no room for a 50 quart cooler. The Roadie 15 fits where a big cooler can't. First, it slides behind a vehicle seat or into tight cargo space. Holds 16 cans plus ice or 18 pounds of ice straight. Next, a double-duty shoulder strap doubles as a tie-down. Carry it like a duffel, hands-free from car to camp. Finally, a quick latch, single-action latch opens with one hand. Kids, leash, gear in the other. Cons: 15 quart capacity is small, solo or duo only. Heavier than a basic 15 quart. Best for solo campers, day trippers, kayakers. Not for families or multi-day group trips. At $200, the Roadie 15 goes where bigger coolers can't. Out of cargo space, this is the answer. Number 3. The RTIC Ultra-Tough 45 quart. The best premium grade cooler without paying premium brand price. You've already replaced 3 cheap coolers, cracked latches, busted hinges, ice melted by day 3. The Ultra-Tough is the upgrade that ends the cycle. First, 2.8 inches of closed-cell foam insulation. Same density premium rotomolded coolers use. Multi-day ice retention without the brand markup. Next, a one-piece rotomolded body with heavy-duty rubber T-latches. Drop-tested build, no weak seams to crack. Finally, a silicone cargo net inside the lid plus a built-in bottle opener. Storage for keys and snacks, and a beer pop without digging for a tool. Cons: fully loaded is over 40 pounds. No wheels. Bigger footprint than budget coolers. Best for serious weekend campers, hunters, anglers. Not for those needing wheels or ultralight gear. At $239.99, the Ultra-Tough ends the replacement cycle. Done buying cheap coolers? This is the upgrade. Quick reminder, if this video is helping, hit like and subscribe. All links in the description. Now the top 2 picks. Number 2. The ENGEL 60 quart Ultra-Light Injection Molded. The best premium cooler for campers tired of carrying a brick. Every premium roto-molded cooler weighs 25 to 30 pounds empty. Add ice and food, you're hauling 70 pounds. Brutal on backs and knees. The Ultra-Light fixes the weight problem without giving up performance. First, an injection molded shell that's dramatically lighter than roto-molded coolers. Yet ENGEL claims 7-day ice retention. Premium performance, half the strain. Next, an included wire basket and removable divider. Keeps food dry and organized above the meltwater. No soggy bread on day 3. Finally, a built-in bottle opener and anti-skid rubber feet that grip truck beds and tailgates instead of sliding around. Cons: injection molded build isn't as abuse-proof as roto-molded. Not bear rated. No wheels. Best for solo or couple campers, older outdoor users, back-conscious campers. Not for heavy off-roaders or bear country. At $239.99, the Ultra-Light delivers premium performance without the weight tax. Sick of the brick? This is the cooler. Now, the number 1 pick. This is the only cooler on the list that's bear resistant certified. Here it is. The number 1 best camping cooler in 2026 is the YETI Tundra 45, the cooler the entire premium category was built to compete with. Every other roto-molded brand on this list exists because campers wanted YETI performance without YETI's price. The Tundra still sets the standard. First, permafrost insulation with the cold lock gasket, pressure-injected polyurethane, plus a freezer-grade seal that locks cold in for multi-day trips even with frequent opens. Next, T-Rex lid latches and the never-fail hinge system. The Tundra is Interagency Grizzly Bear Committee bear resistant certified. No other cooler here keeps grizzlies out. Finally, it's dry ice compatible with anchor point tie-down slots. Pack frozen meat for a week, strap it in a truck or kayak. Cons: empty weighs over 23 pounds. No wheels. Premium price tier. Best for serious campers, hunters, families committing to one cooler for 10 years. Not for budget shoppers or those needing wheels. At $325, the Tundra 45 is the cooler every camper eventually upgrades to. Want the absolute best? This is it. And there you have it. The 7 best camping coolers in 2026. From cheap classics to full-week ice machines. Drop a comment, which one are you going with? And what's the worst cooler fail you've had on a trip? Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.